Today's video I would like to talk about fuzzing tool which is called as FFUF, so which is widely used for fuzzing. So let's see what is fuzzing. So fuzzing is nothing but you will send random input data to your target applications in order to see how it is behaving, what kind of response that it is giving. Based on the response, can we craft any further attacks to find out or discover vulnerabilities? So, with the help of this fuzzing tool, you can able to identify hidden directories, hidden parameters, as well as you subdomains. So let's see one by one how we can able to find out each of them. So in order to install that fuff tool, you can type bro install fuff. It will download that tool. Since I already have that, it is showing me this message. So okay, our tool got installed. So the main key step while using fuff is you have to use a good word list, because you will send each and every data from the word list and you will see what is the response from the target application. So you have to select a good word list for it. So from my side I will suggest a word list called SecLists, where you can able to see lot of word list data. So you can download the checklist. So once at the end of the video, I'll also suggest you one more list that is called as OneListforAll, so we can see this one list in the last. First let us go to checklist. See here I have already cloned that list. Let's go to that list. cd discovery cd web content. So for today's demonstration I'm going to use this word list. So let's run our tool. Before that, let us see the help page, how we can run this. See here it is giving lot of flags. Don't worry, I'll explain you how we can use this tool and how we can use use these flags and all. So okay, I'm opening another tab and I am entering fuff and I am giving -w flag. This flag will represents the word list. Here you have to pass the word list working directory. So here I am passing the directory and I want to choose this word list. Let's paste it. So we are inputting the word list. Later we need to insert the URL. For the sake of testing, here I have selected one vulnerable application which is online, which is php.testsparker.com. For the sake of demonstration I just selected this one. So first of all, let's see how we can do directory fuzzing. So here I want to fuzz this URL. Here I want to input my random data which is from this word list. Let's see what is there in this word list. Directory case medium. If you can see, it has a lot of, it contains lot of data. So fuff will iterate through all this data one by one and see how their target application is responding. So here I want to add the data in order to find out hidden directories. Let's run this out, what it is giving. So it is giving me some responses like this. It contains products directory. Here it is returning me status 200 with the size of that content in the response. Suppose if you don't want to see this 301 response codes where 301 represents redirection, you are only interested in status 200, then you can do one thing. You can filter out code of 301 like this. Now it won't display 301 in the tool response. It will give except 301 all the response codes. Suppose if you are only interested in 200 response code, you can also do that by using match code command, where it will only give you the results of the directories which gave status 200. See here I'm having products, page, and 3. So these are some of the directories that it contains, the target of application. In this way you can able to identify the list of directories which are belongs to your target application, and based on the flags you can filter out the data which you are interested in. Now let's see how we can do param mining, or else how we can able to identify hidden parameters. For finding hidden parameters, now I am using burp parameter names as my input word list. Let's do that. Here I am giving burp parameter names. So let's add our target. So here is my target. So now I want to fuzz parameter names, so I can write fuzz here so that it will iterate through all parameters. Yeah, now it will see here for each and every data it is giving status 200 and same size. So it is noise, so you can filter out this noise by filtering out this size of response. Since we need only valid responses, I am filtering out this size 2934. Since for every param it is giving status 200 with the same size, so it's a noise, so I'm filtering this out. Now it will give us a good result without any noise. It is iterating through all param names. Let's see what it will return. See, it is giving pp and pro as a parameter name. Let's see if I replace this pro with pp, what data it is giving. So it is returning okay to product names. So in this way you can fuzz parameters as well. Similarly, you can fuzz for finding subdomains as well. If you want to fuzz subdomains, then you can simply write fuzz keyword here, and you can place your input data is 2.3 small. Yeah, here. Okay, I want to see all the subdomains. I want to fuzz subdomains. Let's see what result it will give. It will give www php. Okay, these two are subdomains. Let's see what else it's return. Again, capital php, capital www. Okay, rest. So I got one subdomain name, rest. Yeah, it is a rest API for it. Okay, supported file formats never open. Yeah, that's nice. See here it is giving technologies, details, etc. Okay, in this way you can also able to identify what are these subdomains that our target application has. Similarly, you can also able to find files within the web servers by placing the fuzz keyword. So what not, you can place your keyword there and you can able to do fuzzing. Suppose you don't want to find out hidden directories separately, hidden parameters separately, you just want to find out some interesting stuff via fuzzing for your target application. In that case, you can do one lazy hack. Go ahead and download OneListforAll from this GitHub repo, where you will see OneListforAll micro.txt and OneListforAll short.txt. Here I have already downloaded it. OneListforAll. Okay, here is the list. What I will do is in this list actually you will contain all the endpoint inputs, all the file inputs, and also all the params. So it is a kind of all-in-one. Simply give this file as input for your FFUF tool and see what it is doing, and you can wait for the results, whether it is giving any good results. With that results, can we craft any further attacks to find out vulnerabilities. Let's see that here. w./OneListforAll micro, and my target URL will be php, and here I want to fuzz OneListforAll. Let's see what it is returning. It has 26,448 input data. Okay, it is giving me 403 for few things and 200 status code. So it is able to identify few files, few endpoints. Yeah, in this way, few params as well. So with the help of this word list, you can simply run and sit happily. Everything it will do, and later you can analyze those results and you can craft those results in order to find out vulnerabilities. Thank you.